Let's transform this beautiful face into soft glam bridal look. Our model Sia has dry skin and hydration के लिए I genuinely trust OC Glow products. ये मॉइस्चराइजर मैं 1 ईयर से यूज़ कर रही हूँ and this is such a power product. As after this आपको प्राइमर की भी नीड नहीं पड़ेगी because not only it hydrates well but makeup sets pretty well on top of it. Then using MAC Stroke Cream फेस पर शाइन ऐड करने के लिए. इस प्रोडक्ट को मैं हमेशा मॉइस्चराइज़र के बाद यूज़ करती हूँ बिकॉज ये ड्राई बेस्ड फॉर्मूला है एंड विदाउट मॉइस्चराइज़र ये स्किन पर थोड़ा ड्राई दिखता है बट अब यू सी हाउ नाइस एंड प्लम्प द स्किन लुक्स. दैट्स प्रीटी मच फॉर स्किन केयर. अब हम कर रहे हैं कंसीलिंग विद क्रायोलॉन डर्मा कंसीलर्स. दीज आर नो डाउट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंसीलर्स. शेड हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर देंगे सो यू कैन चेक दैट आउट लेटर ऑन. एंड कंसीलिंग करने के बाद मैं 1 मिनट का ब्रेक हमेशा देती हूँ फॉर दैट कंसीलर टू ड्राई डाउन एंड देन आई मूव अहेड टू अप्लाई द फाउंडेशन. बाय द वे ये फाउंडेशन मैंने रिसेंटली यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया है. इट्स अंडर 1000 रुपीज़ एंड इज़ लिटरली माई अल्टीमेट फेवरेट दीज डेज. This is from Charmisi Milano. Shade के लिए head over to the description box. Now feeding that blender well in advance so that it does not absorb the product from the face. Now gently blend it all in. This foundation, in my humble opinion, is a 10 on 10 as it suits all skin type and finish is right in front of you. How stunning it is. By the way, the blender that I'm using is from Beautylicious brand. And to be very honest, this is the best blender I have used till date. And guys, ये सभी products मेरे personal favorites हैं. Not even a single product is sponsored. I genuinely like to recommend what I really like. Alright, now to bronze, we can hands down use a dark color foundation. बस उसे blend करने की right technique अगर आपको पता हो तो. We need a medium sized fluffy brush. This one is from Real Technique. प्लेस करना है हमें प्रोडक्ट को ऑन द आउटर पैरामीटर्स ऑफ फेस एंड चीक बोन्स, ऑल्सो अराउंड द नोज. नाउ बिफोर वी ब्लेंड हम ब्रश को क्लीन करेंगे और लेफ्ट ओवर प्रोडक्ट जो होगा ब्रश में उससे हम एजेस को डिफ्यूज करेंगे. एंड द सेम वे वी आर गोइंग टू क्लीन इट अगेन फॉर द अदर साइड एंड दिस वे यू आर गोइंग टू विटनेस द सीमलेस ब्लेंड एंड दैट टू विदाउट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स. I believe techniques must always be simple to understand and also to perform. And so ऐसी बहुत सारी easy and effortless techniques हम अपने students को offline classes में सिखाते हैं. Our offline batch is starting in June in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi. You can connect on this number for the details. Then using Too Faced Born This Way concealer to highlight. Okay, the first thing is हमने shade बहुत ज़्यादा fair choose नहीं किया. And secondly, हम बहुत ज़्यादा लेयर अप नहीं कर रहे. We do not want a cakey base. So remember the golden rule of makeup, less is always more in makeup. Now, how we set concealer can either make or break the entire look. तो blend करने से पहले, I make sure that the powder puffy is ready. We go and blend now. And you have to set it immediately, just like me with the powder, giving no time to concealer to crease out. And we go one eye at a time. This best treats under eye fine lines. And then again, एक medium size brush से we are going to set the entire face. You see brush का pressure बहुत light है and with very limited product हमने पूरे face set कर दिया है. Safe play करने के लिए I would advise you to do the baking always after setting the face with powder. So that extra amount of powder, foundation या concealer पे right away stick ना हो and patch ना बनाए. Also, baking करके it's so easy to contour and blush at the very right place. You know, it's all about those little techniques you learn that actually makes a big difference and makes makeup a fun and easy process. Blush palette is from iMagic, taking a coral shade. So basically corals and peachy shades are universally flattering and works very well on both warm and cool tones. But we ain't done here because ये अभी बहुत peachy लग रहा है and to neutralize it, I always pack up this shade with the pink and combine होकर ये दोनों shades makes the face look awake and youthful. In case you want to learn how I work with creams or liquid blushers, then आप मुझे comment करके ज़रूर बताना. I'll include that in my next video. Wiping off the baking powder and running a little bit of powder contour around the places जहाँ हमने dark foundation लगाई थी to act like a bronzer, just to marry each and everything together. And here we have the complete base work, and you see it looks very fresh and breathable. Recently, we have also launched an online class on waterproof base makeup technique, which is an ideal base for summers. And for my YouTube family, you can have flat 70% off by using the code ELITE70. And now for eye makeup, हम सिर्फ 2 आई shadows यूज़ करेंगे. It's gonna be very easy peasy yet very pretty look. Plus ये eye makeup आप almost हर eye shapes पर कर सकते हो. Palette we are using from Makeup by Mario. It has all the earthy tones and is highly recommended. So we are going to deposit the brown to the outer end. Basically मैं shadow को place कर रही हूँ एक precise pencil brush से. Then quickly diffusing it with a fluffy blending brush. I'm doing one eye at a time so that it's well blended. And also you notice I'm taking it upward and outward for the eyes to look lifted. Then running the same shades to the crease line. इससे eyes को definition मिल जाएगी and they're gonna look open and big. Same shade से हम lower lash line smoke out करेंगे and without a proper blend हम soft subtle effect achieve नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए blending as usual is the key. Now taking a black shadow, इसको भी हम outer ends पे focus करना है flick करते हुए. So basically guys, when you flick with a brush, तो आपका placement and blending दोनों ही काम simultaneously हो जाते हैं. And here we are witnessing a soft diffuse liner effect. Then we are going to trace the lash line with the Recode liner. I'm keeping the liner very very thin just to give the eyes a fuller effect. Mixing these two shades to brighten up the inner corners. I live for a bright under eye. I like it super bright and crispy clean. What I also like to do with these shades is to clean up the eyeshadow. You see how it cleans up the liner and eyes looks lifted. It's such a simple step that makes a huge difference. Completing the look with falsies, by the way, I like to first apply lashes and then the mascara. I think this way it's easier and it blends well both the lashes and falsies together. Then using my favorite Dior highlighter to amp up the look. In case you want a list of my 5 favorite highlighters, then caption me, I have mentioned it, and let me know in comments about your favorite highlighter too. Now it's time for lips and I'm using the Colorbar lip liner. I think I'm using this product from last 2 years now. ये pencil मुझे इतनी पसंद है, plus ये particular shade. I love to give depth to the lips with this and then finger से I blend the edges roughly एकदम natural lip shape के लिए. Running then the Kylie lip liner in between. So ये shade हमारे first वाले blusher shade के साथ match हो रहा है and that's how we pull the whole look together by using monochromatic color scheme. I'm very fond of learning about colors and making similar contents on Instagram. You can check them out after this video. I'll link that in the description box below. Taking again the brown pencil और center में dimension add करनी है. I do this technique जब मुझे fuller lip illusion चाहिए हो. You see it makes a huge difference. And that's pretty much it. Fixing everything with PAC and there we go. Hope you liked this short tutorial. You can ask me any questions in the comments. Also, I need your suggestion. Next look हम YouTube पे कौन सा create करें? So let me know that too in comments. And subscribe us to learn more with us.